Welcome back everybody to Dan Plus Water, formerly known as Dan H2O. My name is Dan. This is going to be a short little video. I just purchased a new underwater light, the OrcaTorch D530. It was on Amazon, about $125. Says it's 1300 lumens and water resistant to a depth of 150 meters. So this is going to be a quick unboxing and my first initial thoughts. I'll make sure that everybody can see what it looks like out in the dark. So here we have the OrcaTorch D530, 1300 lumens. On high, approximately 30 minutes. On the lowest power, approximately 4 hours. Water resistant to 150 meters. 8-degree beam, and I have still yet to figure out those numbers. If someone feels like leaving what they are in the comments below, please do so. So it looks like we got a set of instructions. One USB rechargeable battery, one flashlight housing, one USB cord for the battery, one corded wrist lanyard. You could probably hook this to any of your equipment. Extra set of internal O-rings for the water housing. An extra outer band for grip. And a warranty card, so you can register your product for warranty. According to OrcaTorch, this flashlight has an indicator light in the center of the push button. It'll glow green for any charge in the battery over 70%, orange for between 30% and 70%, red for 10% to 30%, and a flashing red for less than 10% of battery. Later on, reading the instructions, I found out that runtime on a full charged battery on high is 1 hour 25 minutes and low is 4 hours and 30 minutes. I think I said that wrong earlier in the video. To put the battery in, it says you unscrew the bottom housing from the top of the housing. You'll see those 3 O-rings present. Keep those in decent shape. Keep them lubed with silicone. Don't let them get dirty. It says insert the battery into the lower housing and then screw the upper housing to the lower housing. You'll feel it actually stop. Don't give it a twist afterwards, just go until it stops. on high from the factory. It looks like they charged the battery a little bit. We've got green. Kick it down to low. It's showing more of a yellow color. And then off. Alrighty, let's go outside and test this sucker in the dark. Alright everyone, we are out here at a local high school baseball field. Approximately 75 yards in front of myself is a baseball dugout colored in blue and yellow, and we're going to see how it looks in the light. Alrighty, I'm going to apologize in advance for the horribly grainy video. 25 yards in front of me is a porta-john. That reflecting light down there, I'm going to try to zoom in on it. Is a baseball dugout colored in blue and yellow. There you can see that one just a little bit better. That is approximately 75 yards away. The back tree line, which you can just barely make out, is 100 yards. I have a soccer goal here, again 75 yards. Moving up closer, I have a soccer goal at 50 yards. To give a perspective on distance. Telephone pole and soccer goal at just under 50 yards. Moving back to the 50-yard soccer goal. Back to the 75-yard baseball dugout with a reflective sign on it. And lastly, 25-yard blue porta-john. So all in all, this isn't a bad light, but only time is going to tell how it does in the silty, mucky rivers of Michigan. Well everyone, that was the OrcaTorch D530 flashlight. Like I said out at the baseball field, only time is going to tell if it's able to cut through the algae and silt in not only our lakes but also our wonderful murky Michigan rivers. Hit the notification bell and subscribe buttons. That way you'll know when I get that updated video posted, as well as other videos of the many adventures that I have planned coming up for you all. Thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you on the next adventure.